Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to deactivate your Instagram account without waiting a week, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to deactivate Instagram account without waiting a week. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on profile icon in the right bottom and now click on three lines at top right. Here you have to choose settings. Choose help from the list. Now choose report a problem option. Here you have to disable shake phone to report a problem option in the bottom and click on report a problem. Here you have to write I want to deactivate my Instagram account without waiting a week. So I want to deactivate straight away. Please help me to do so. You can also attach a screenshot here. Click on next at top right and choose send report. After this your account will be deactivated. This is the easy and simple way to deactivate Instagram account without waiting a week. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.